All right, I'm going to be installing these on my 2024 Hyundai Santa Cruz SEL. So I'll be starting off by removing that bottom portion down there. That entire bottom has to come out. To take this apart, this panel on the bottom and on the top, they're all clips. You're going to end up breaking them anyway, so it doesn't matter. I mean, you can replace these at AutoZone or some other, if you ever want to put this back on. I just got a plastic kind of crowbar thing and started pulling it off, and it's all coming off. Here's the panel off. Just be careful wherever you're working, you don't scratch it up on the side here. The bottom I don't really care about, but the sides, wherever you put it, that way in case you want to put it back on, because these cost like 300 bucks. And then here are all the clips inside. And what it looked like here, I got to remove all these clips, and then clean this stuff off. But there's all the clips. See, some of them broke, but it's okay. I'll tell you, this tool right here saved me a bunch of clips, man. Look, it didn't break at all. This tool. I just cleaned it a little bit. I bought this sound deadening material. It's 80 mil thickness, just like it says online. And I'm just sticking it on here and then cutting out the holes. I sprayed this all the way down here on all of this. You can kind of see it. Just in case, you never know. And I kept those rubber grommets. I don't think they're going to affect anything when the screw gets in there, to be honest. This is kind of important. There's two different size clips, acorn clips. There's the large ones and then there's the smaller ones. The large ones go in the front, here. The smaller ones go on the bottom down there, right here. Skip the first hole, then put the clips in, the larger clips. Skip the middle hole right there. This is for the plastic clips that's on the actual running board. And then keep on putting the clips. That's the middle one I skipped. Keep on going, and then skip the last one. And then on the bottom, you put all of them, all the way down. That's the smaller clips go on the bottom, all the way down. I'm doing the right hand side, and that's right hand right there. Make sure you check that before you put these on. That's the passenger side, the side I'm doing over there. So this is going on right now. All right, that's them on. And now you gotta put these clips on to cover up the screws. You gotta put these clips on just like this. Just like that, nice clean look.